In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send SMS text messages from Hubspot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're reaching out to customers or setting up marketing campaigns, sending SMS messages through Hubspot can streamline your communication. Let's dive in and get started. First, begin by navigating to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in hubspot.com. This is the main site for HubSpot's suite of tools and software solutions designed to help your business grow. Now, once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and sign in using your credentials. This will take you straight to your HubSpot dashboard, which is essentially your central control panel for all your HubSpot activities. After you're in, head over to the HubSpot home. This can be accessed directly from the dashboard and provides you with an overview of all your activities, tasks, and more. From here, we'll take the next step in our process. Locate the Marketing tab on the navigation bar. Clicking on it will expand a menu of marketing-related tools and options that HubSpot offers. These tools are particularly useful if you're planning to enhance your marketing strategy with direct SMS communications. Within the Marketing section, you'll find an option labeled SMS. Click on it to access the SMS functionality. This is where all the magic happens, as it enables you to directly engage with your audience through text messages. Now, if this is your first time trying to send an SMS through HubSpot, you might need to talk to their sales team to enable this functionality. Simply click on the Talk to Sales button. Engaging with their sales support ensures you have everything set up correctly, including any required subscriptions or permissions. While in a conversation with sales, they'll provide you with all the necessary information and steps to unlock SMS capabilities. They'll help you understand any additional features, pricing, and how you can integrate SMS into your current marketing campaigns effectively. Finally, once everything is set up and you've discussed your options with the sales team, you can proceed by clicking on Highlight. This might be a part of their instructional setup, ensuring you're all set to start messaging your contacts directly from HubSpot. And there you have it. Sending SMS messages from HubSpot is straightforward once you have access enabled. It's a fantastic way to keep in touch with your contacts quickly and efficiently. Make sure to explore further how SMS messages can be tailored to fit into your marketing strategies, such as using personalized messages or automating them for campaigns. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more quick guides and tips on utilizing HubSpot's vast range of tools. See you in the next video.